Today during the live, we had a person come in and ask Alex O Crypto, what's going on with me? I am afraid to jump into trades. It's hard getting into trades. My mindset is messed up, and we haven't made a mindset in quite some time. So let's jump into the charts and talk about mindset and having fear to trade and what is possibly contributing to that little bit of fear, that little bit of angst before jumping into not having those confirmations. And today we answer that very simply. And the thing is with trading is sometimes the losses can pile up, okay? With good risk management, sometimes the losses do pile up, and we have to be good losers in trading, meaning we have to have a good risk to reward ratio. So sometimes we get knocked out, but those wins will overall pay in the long term. You can have a 40% winning strategy as long as you're using good risk management and still be profitable. But jumping into trades, having the confidence to jump into trades can be very tedious sometimes if you are taking losses. So we want to make sure that we are prepared. And how can we prepare ourselves if we have had a losing streak? Well, I've done this recently, right? Well, I was trading with 5 Bitcoin and, I had win, and then I started lose. And what I noticed is that my psychology was a little bit off because with adjusting to a 5 Bitcoin trade, the drawdowns, the losses were a lot heavier than what I was accustomed to. So this, for me, meant that I needed to adjust. So what did I do? Initially, I started by reducing the margin that I was trading. So it went down to 2 to 3 BTC, where I was able to give myself the confidence, the power, and back to myself where I'm used to trading with it. I'm more confident, and it wasn't that big of a deal if I did have a couple of loses, okay? So by reducing the amount I was trading with, I was able to jump back into the game, build my confidence back up, which is so important in this trading game, is to have confidence in your setups, okay? We can pull all the indicators out. We can pull all the lines out, the market ciphers, the chart primes, all of that stuff. We can pull it all out. We can make it look like a damn Christmas tree. But if we're not practicing good risk management, we're not having a healthy mindset, it's going to be difficult for us to execute. We need to follow our rules. We need to practice good risk management, and we have to have a healthy, confident mindset coming into the charts, okay? And we have to stay disciplined within our rules, okay? If my rule says that I'm waiting for a retrace from the golden pocket off of this bounce and I'm waiting for price to come down, that doesn't mean I'm jumping in early. That means I'm waiting. And if the trade doesn't get to me, I reassess and I readjust and I look for my next entry, okay? So by following rules, reducing our margin, we can jump into these trades with a lot more confidence. Now, we want to make sure that when we are jumping into these trades, we allow these trades to run longer. Now, I have been working on this immensely, okay? I have gotten into trades. For instance, I was in a long right here. And shout out to Jonathan Schaefer. He knew it. I took it here. I got out early, and I went to bed. You know what? For me, I followed my rules. I do not like to trade. I like to close my trades before I go to bed. However, he said, you know what? We're probably going to pump. We had the retest the next day. Look at this beautiful retest, and we were off to the races, okay? And I failed to get in here, and then guess what? Price shot up on us. So sometimes there is FOMO, sometimes there is greed, and a lot of the time we have to manage our emotions, especially when it comes to fear into getting out. If you've been knocked out of your trades, if you've been struggling with your mindset, reduce the amount you're trading with, get that confidence back, and start just being disciplined in your trades. You can take more trades with more confidence, with less risk being on the table. Therefore, you can have the confidence to get your mojo back, get that into the straight swing of trading, right? What I do suggest, throw some volume on the charts, get the replay, rewind, and get into that price action. There's nothing better you can do where you can look to chart price action. You can chart Alt-H, baby. Alt-H, chart those support and resistance areas where we look for trade setups. Okay, we got a little bit of beautiful resistance here. Resistance. So we're looking for a short up here. Okay, there's our short. We're in. Okay, where's my first take profit? Maybe it's down here, down below, right? Look at that. Boom. First take profit. Is it going to hit? Boom, it just hit. Look at that. There's a winning trade, right? We're in profit there. So we can do this. We can back test. We can get confident all over again. We got a nice trend line here. Maybe we're looking for a short up here. We put the short up top here, we're looking for it to come up here and then get rejected, right? Looking to target the bottom of the range from down here before, right? So we can look at this and we can plan our trades. We can attack the price action. Look, poof, perfect entry. Oh, come back down, baby. Come back down, right? And we can manage our mindset and how we trade within these areas. Okay, so I hope this gets you well. Reduce the amount of margin you're trading with. Get that confidence back up. Practice good risk management and be kind to yourself. Thank you so much for coming through. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and join us in the free Discord. All that fun stuff live Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.